We are not about the ostracization of others. We are not about saying, "O semamang, o botoka mo go semamang." We're about collective internalization and realization of ideas. That is what we're about.
We are all raised to be something.
Money will always come, but it's how many lives you touch and how many lives you change and, positively impact.
Ask yourself, what I'm me? Ke bona dilo tse ka matlho a me, kante a matlho a adimilweng. Why do you think that's okay? Why do you think that's okay? It's because this dominant culture has taken your eyes away, your heart away, replace them with their own. You cannot even see yourself anymore.
As a youth, we try out a lot of things at the same time, and we just are never so specific with what we want to do. So it's okay to try out, but I think after a while, just narrow it down for those who want to help you, and especially for those who want to invest in you, to know specifically what they should help you with.
Your success will not take away from mine. Your success, I should be able to nurture you, support you, because at the end of the day, you see, we all each have paths. Insist, on who you are, and insist that you just have a right to an opinion as they do, and your views are just as correct.
To support and to show Batswana that what is ours can actually work better for us than what is not ours.
I basically do this every single Sunday because I live and I'm passionate about human development. For those who care to be passionate about their own development.